weather message. For the following county, Eastern Tucker, West Virginia. Blizzard warning in effect until 10 a.m. Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations between 9 and 14 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Eastern Tucker County. When? Until 10 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle. Please report snow accumulations by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at